Hi, I'm Ken House with Mallick Plumbing from Gaithersburg, Maryland. It's coming up on 15 years for me. It's been a great experience for us as a company because we have people in all the groups that Ed runs. Ed has helped us, along with Vistage, become a much better company. We are a contractor that started out with a plumber and a truck, and we're a business. And Ed has taken us to all new heights. Basically, we've quadrupled our business since we've joined Vistage. I guess do the right thing. I mean, it really what we learned is when you promise, you have to deliver.